In this video, I will show you how you can turn on, turn off, and customize the vibrations on the Galaxy Fit 3. So let's get started. First of all, just swipe up on the screen and open the app drawer. And from here, just go to Settings, and under Settings, you will find the option of vibration. Just tap on it, and from here, you will be able to turn on or to turn off the vibration on your band. If you select Mute, you will turn off the vibration on your Galaxy Fit 3. And if you select Vibrate, you will enable the vibration. And also you have a shortcut in the control center. If you swipe down from the top of the screen, you will open the control center. And in the control center, you will find the option of vibration. Now if you tap on it, you will enable mute and you will turn off vibration. And if you want to enable vibration back on, just tap on this icon. And as you can see, we have successfully enabled vibration on our band. Now to customize the vibration on your Galaxy Fit 3, just go back to the vibration settings. Now over here you can tap on vibration, and from here you can customize the vibration length. As you can see, it is on short, but you can select long and the vibration will be longer. Now if you scroll down, you will find the option to increase or decrease the vibration intensity. As you can see, it is currently on light, but you also have the option of strong. And if you select strong, you will have a stronger vibration. After that, you have the option of call vibration. Now if you tap on it, you will be able to customize the vibration pattern when you receive a phone call. Now as you can see, it is on basic, but you can select any of the vibration patterns from here. Just like that. After that, you have the option of notification vibration, and from here you can customize the vibration pattern for when you receive a notification. Now after that, you have the option of system vibration. Now if you disable this toggle, you will disable the touch interaction vibrations, as your band will not vibrate when you enable or disable or touch the screen of your band. And finally, you have the option of charging. Now if you enable this toggle, your band will vibrate slightly when you start charging, just like that. And this is how you can turn on, turn off, and customize the vibration on the Galaxy Fit 3. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.